Hey, now I can see you. Nashir.
ได้แล้วครับ
Okay.
ครับ นั่นก็ see you ครับ teacher
Nashir, how are you today, man?
I feel fantastic
Oh, I see.
โอ
I
เค
am so happy
ครับ
I got to see you.
yes today have a test and don't have to go to school
Yeah, just like a relaxed day. Tell me about your
yes
day. What have you done today?
yes today I have test
Mhm,
English
mhm.
writing and reading yeah
I
I
see.
I hope I can have a good score because I think I can do very well I think
Oh, that's good, man. So you have done the test since morning, right? 10 a.m. in the morning until now.
yes on the
Mhm.
morning today
I see. Oh, Nashia, this time is the interview time. So I will ask you a few questions, all right?
yes
Okay. First, can you show me around your room? I want to see around your room. How does it look like?
ห้องผมเหรอครับ
Yeah.
โอเคครับ this is my
Wow.
room
Yeah, your
ห้องนอ
bed
นครับ
is so nice. Nice bed.
โอเค
Yeah. Oh, only the bedroom for you? It's only the bed?
the
Hmm?
base and the yeah
Oh, some stuff. Okay. I like a table and stuff. I like the wardrobe.
วอร์ดรอปคือวอร์ดรอปครับตู้เสื้อผ้าเหรอครับ
Yes, correct. That's called wardrobe.
yes โอเค
Yes, that's nice. All right, Nashia, thank you for sharing.
โอ
Because
โอ
I
เค
know about you already. So now I just want to ask about something in general and let's have a conversation together.
โอ
First,
เค
Nashia, tell me about what do you like about learning English?
what is my like about learning English like
Yeah, yeah.
I learn English because in the future
Mm-hmm.
I think I can use English for apply for a job about English like tour guide and I want to do a video is about travel blog and everyday life blogs. So use English is very helpful
Yeah.
for interact with other people that use English. I think it's half of the world use English and a
Mhm.
great opportunity to practice to
Yes.
have a good ability English from every skill like reading, listening
Mhm.
and speaking.
That's good, Nashia.
Yes.
Next year, I want to tell you that in the future, whenever you start doing videos on YouTube, TikTok, or whenever you become influencer, please ask me to be in it. I would like to go and help you be in there and talk about any contents you want to make. Okay?
Okay, thank you very much, teacher, for
Yes, I would
help.
love to join with you. I have a Russian couple who does a funny Thai video on TikTok. And I asked them that one day, whenever they make a lot of new content, yeah, but it takes time. So I will be joining with them too. And I want to join with you and I want to create my own TikTok channel as well.
Okay, I
Yeah.
see. Thank you, teacher.
Yes, I think like you have seen a lot of stars, a lot of like famous TikTokers that they quite have a lot of followers. They kind of connect together. Some of the famous go to the famous stars and then they do something together. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So please let me join you. I would love to be in a part of your project.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Yes. And next year, tell me more about in in the university, what do you like about your university?
I like about they have a good
Mm,
environment and have a good classroom and good technology in the classroom.
I
And
see.
I like our university because I study major English and the teacher is very good and very helpful
Very
me
helpful.
for understand English correctly.
Okay, that's great, bro. And do you have any foreign friends in your classroom?
Yes, I have foreign friends.
Where are they from?
They from Myanmar, China.
Hmm. Myanmar and China.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's cool. Do you have any friends from Vietnam?
No,
No. Do you have any friends from Malaysia?
no.
Oh, only two countries with
Yes,
China.
only two countries.
Ah, okay, that's very interesting. All right. Now, I want to ask, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried rice with beef.
With beef. Oh, okay, you like beef too, same as me. It's so good, yeah?
Yes,
Okay. And may I ask, what is your favorite drink?
my favorite thing is lemonade.
Lemonade. Ah, that's a refreshing, yeah?
Yes,
And what is your favorite fruit?
maybe strawberry.
Strawberry. Ah,
Yes,
okay, all right. Then next one, how about what is your favorite game? Do you play games?
yes. I play only Dream League soccer
You play
in mobile
soccer.
phone.
I see. Do you watch football?
Football, soccer, right?
Yeah, soccer.
Yes, I watch highlight.
Ah, the highlight. What is
Yes,
your
just
favorite
highlight.
team?
My favorite team is FC Barcelona.
Ah, big fan of Barcelona. All right. All right. Do you play sport, by the way?
I just do running and jogging.
Oh, okay. Just like exercise to have a good
Yes,
health.
easy exercise.
Yeah. Nashia, I would like to know when did you start focus on study, jogging, like improving yourself? When did you start doing improving yourself?
In maybe at uh, secondary school
Oh,
because at that time I am tired really easily, so I try to move body to make how to say make body more
soccer.
more endurance. You know
Ah,
how to say ให้ร่างกายอึดขึ้น I don't know how to say sorry
yeah, correct, correct. You can say to
endurance.
to increase the endurance.
Yes, increase the endurance, make body strong and
Oh,
prevent to have sick easily.
I see. So
Yes,
when you were young, you got sick easily, yeah?
yes,
I see. That's why you started to improve yourself. Oh, Nashia, I would like to tell you this. You are my best student, and you have shown me that even in a teenager can be smart. You are not only smart in education, but you're smart in order about life, you know? Me
oh
too.
thank you very much.
It's the same, right? We both never drink. We don't care about drinking, don't do smoking. We exercise to have a good health, and we work hard, study to have a good education, and that's help us happy, calm inside. We can relax by play game, watch movie, and that's good enough. And then we keep doing the good things for our life.
Yes,
Yes. So I'm telling you that please be this Nash here forever, and you're gonna be a really good and successful person. I'm here for you.
yes.
Yeah.
Teacher Matthew is very good to be like that too. Yes.
Hmm. I
Thank you
am,
for encourage me to be a good person.
yes, definitely, brother. I am so proud of you. Okay?
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah. All right. That's all I want to ask and I want to tell you. That's all for the interview. And you have done so well. I hope you have a good day and good night tonight. Okay?
Okay. Thank you very much, teacher.
Yeah, see ya. Bye
Thank
bye.
you ครับ
Ciao. Bye
Thank
bye.
you ครับ
Yeah.